Hello everybody, Weatherman 5 here with another forecast for you regarding some extreme temperatures today as well as a severe thunderstorm threat across the area, and that will be across a span of 3, possibly 4 days. But what I'm going to talk to you first is about that incredible heat that we're going to be experiencing today and tomorrow, with heat indices between 100 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit, very, very hot, and with the expected actual temperatures to be between 95 and 100 degrees, sometimes breaking that, especially further south and west. What I am thinking right now is that with this extreme heat and the humidity, if you go outside right now, you can really feel how muggy the air is. With that, we're going to see a potential of some thunderstorms across the area today, especially off to the north of us and the east of us, though I do think that a few of those storms may be south enough to kind of cover the area with a little bit of rain, maybe some severe qualities in that, especially damaging winds and large hail as the main threats with that. Hail being up to golf ball size and damaging wind gusts up to 70-75 miles per hour at that range. Friday looks about the same temperature-wise, still extremely hot, extremely muggy. We're going to see that also continue into Saturday, though not quite as hot. Friday, though, there is still a chance of some thunderstorms. Maybe not as big a threat of severe, but there's still that possibility there, especially, again, off to the north and off to the east. Now, when we're looking at Saturday, this pattern changes a little bit. We have a front that's going to try to push down into our area, and this is going to come in the afternoon hours. We don't have an exact time quite yet, but we're looking pretty much any time in the afternoon we could see that front pushing through. As of right now, we are in a level 2 slight risk for severe thunderstorms during the afternoon on Saturday, with what I'm thinking will be damaging wind gusts and large hail as the main threats, but a tornado I don't think cannot be ruled out. So that's kind of what we're looking at storm-wise. These storms are likely going to continue depending on what mode they come across and whether it's a line segment or if it's more of just an area of storms. Depending on what happens there, they'll likely come through in the afternoon hours and continue possibly into the evening and overnight hours, maybe even as early as Sunday morning. We could start to see them taper off, but we'll kind of see once we get a little bit closer to that, once we get a few more models in range of that. That's still kind of developing. What I'm really focusing today, though, is on those extreme temperatures, which, if you're planning on being outside, it better be in a pool, it better be with sunscreen, and you better be hydrating a whole lot, because the more you sweat, the more water you're going to end up using in your body, and you're going to need to replenish that a lot quicker in order to avoid heat exhaustion or even a heat stroke. So you all need to stay safe today, stay cool, and stay away from these storms. If you're going north or east, it's going to be pretty stormy. Up, I'd say Quincy, Bowling Green, even as far south as there, and then over pretty much everywhere east. That's all I've got for you fine folks today. Have a safe day in this heat. I'm Chief Meteorologist Ian Pfeiffer, KNL, and I will see you in the next forecast.